In this podcast episode, Peter Diamandis engages in a conversation with Brett Adcock, the CEO of Figure AI, a company focused on developing humanoid robots. The discussion revolves around the advancements in robotics, the competitive landscape with Tesla's Optimus, and the broader implications of humanoid robots on society and the economy. Adcock shares his ambitious vision for humanoid robots, emphasizing that they could revolutionize the way humans interact with technology and perform daily tasks. He believes that by 2040, there could be as many as 10 billion humanoid robots on the planet, fundamentally changing the workforce and the nature of work itself. He argues that these robots will not only take on undesirable jobs, but will also enhance human capabilities, allowing people to focus on more fulfilling activities. The conversation touches on the moral imperative of developing humanoid robots, especially in the context of advancing artificial intelligence. Adcock posits that as AI becomes more capable, it is crucial to have humanoid robots that can execute tasks in the physical world. He suggests that without such robots, humans may find themselves in a position where they are subservient to AI, which could lead to a dystopian future. Adcock introduces Figure 2, the second-generation humanoid robot developed by his company. He highlights the significant improvements made over the first generation, including enhanced computational power, increased battery capacity, and a more robust design. The new robot features an exoskeleton structure that allows it to handle loads more efficiently, and it is equipped with multiple cameras for better perception of its surroundings. The iterative design process at Figure AI is a key focus of the discussion. Adcock explains that the company aims to rapidly develop and refine its hardware, learning from each generation to create a more capable and reliable product. He draws parallels to the early days of Tesla, noting that just as Tesla iterated on its vehicle designs, Figure AI is committed to continuous improvement in its robots. A significant portion of the conversation centers around the integration of AI into humanoid robots. Adcock emphasizes that the future of robotics is heavily reliant on AI advancements, particularly in the areas of perception, reasoning, and action. He discusses how the company leverages large language models and other AI technologies to enable robots to understand and execute tasks based on human commands. Adcock shares an anecdote about how the team at Figure AI taught the robot to perform tasks by demonstrating them, rather than relying solely on traditional programming methods. This approach allows the robot to learn from human actions and adapt to new situations more effectively. The goal is to create a seamless interaction between humans and robots, where communication is as natural as speaking to another person. The podcast delves into the competitive landscape of humanoid robotics, particularly the presence of Tesla and its Optimus project. Adcock expresses admiration for Elon Musk and Tesla's engineering capabilities, acknowledging that they are a formidable competitor in the humanoid robot space. He believes that the emergence of multiple players in this field is essential for driving innovation and progress. Adcock emphasizes that the market for humanoid robots is vast and that there is room for several significant players. He notes that while Tesla has a head start, Figure AI is focused on building a robust product and establishing itself as a leader in the industry. The conversation highlights the importance of manufacturing capabilities, capital, and engineering talent in determining the success of companies in this space. As Figure AI prepares to scale its operations, Adcock discusses the challenges of manufacturing humanoid robots. He reveals that the company is starting its production line in California, aiming to produce hundreds of robots initially, with plans to ramp up to thousands as the processes are refined. He stresses the importance of ensuring that the robots produced are reliable and effective, as scaling up production without addressing these issues could lead to significant setbacks. The conversation also touches on the supply chain complexities involved in building humanoid robots. Adcock shares his experiences in sourcing components and the difficulties of relying on external suppliers. He notes that while it would be ideal to procure off-the-shelf parts, the reality is that many components need to be custom designed, which adds to the complexity and time required for development. The conversation also addresses the critical issue of safety in robotics. Adcock emphasizes the importance of designing robots that are safe to operate around humans. He discusses the need for robust safety protocols and the implementation of fail-safes to prevent accidents. He expresses a commitment to ensuring that Figure AI's robots are designed with safety as a top priority, reflecting a broader ethical stance on the development of technology. He also touches on the potential risks associated with AI and robotics, including concerns about cybersecurity and the implications of advanced AI systems. Adcock asserts that Figure AI will not engage in defense-related projects, focusing instead on civilian applications that enhance human life.